Hello. Well, today is Thursday, August 1st. Can you believe it's August? And me and hubby here.
Hello.
We just got finished. There's Dad doing some yard work. And now we're having lunch. I'm having a hamburger. Mushroom Swiss. And hubby is having, what are you eating? Cheesesteak. He said it's very good. And creamed corn. It's supposed to be really good. You want a bite? Here, take a bite. Let me know how you like it. Really good. And Dad is having
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. It was supposed to be a meatloaf sandwich, but I think it's meatloaf. So I'm gonna put you. No, I can't put you there. Put you here. And we'll have a little chat. So what do you want to talk about, Dad? Do you want to say anything?
Who's that?
It's how do I explain it?
It's our YouTube channel.
It's my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel.
Just say hi, I'm Lenny.
Hi. Everything fine.
There you go.
It's pretty hot today, but it hasn't rained yet.
Does that have a name?
Come on, try it.
What?
Purple Phoenix.
Try that. It's delicious.
Purple Phoenix.
Purple Phoenix? Is there a name? Her?
Yeah, that's her name.
That is good.
Right? You could eat more.
No, I'm actually, I don't think I can even eat this.
Come on, finish that hamburger. Don't do
Ooh,
it.
I'm
Finish
so
it.
full.
Take another bite or two.
Everyone is on me saying I have to have more protein, and this is true. It's amazing that I ordered a hamburger because I usually either have salad or soup. But I felt like I worked hard today. We worked hard
Yeah,
today.
you exerted a lot of energy.
So
You got to put that back in your body.
I think I need, but I don't think I can eat this whole thing. And Bella's here also. This is how I trained her. Whenever we eat, she lays under the table right next to me.
Did you ever meet this person or just...
Dad just can't grasp the YouTube.
I know, you've been... It's her.
It's me. They call it vlogging. So I'm vlogging on my channel to put it out there. So it's like writing a book. That's the best way I can explain it.
We're recording this so we have it forever. That's all.
And it's forever.
Does it talk back?
No.
Well, the people that watch this, they can comment. Yes, so in a way, they talk back. Yes, some of them do.
Or answer you?
Or answer me. Okay, well, I know you don't want to sit here and watch us eat.
No, because I'm eating like a pig.
What kind of voice they got?
I'll show you. Well, I'm going to turn you around, but don't get scared because I'm a mess. I've been sweating and, oh, it's the other way. So here I am. And I don't know if I got food in my mouth, so. All right, guys, I love you. See ya on the flip side.